Hello everyone, this is Haralambos Pissouros, Senior Technical Analyst here at IronFX Global, bringing you the technical updates for October 16th. Today let's look at the technical outlook of Euro-Dollar, which surged after the disappointing US retail sales data, and the picture of WTI, which continued declining yesterday, reaching the psychological barrier of 80. So let's start with Euro-Dollar. The pair surged on Wednesday after both the headline and core retail sales fell in September. The pair broke above the zone of 127.60, 127.90 to find resistance slightly below the 129 line. That move confirmed a forthcoming higher high on the 4-hour chart and turned the short-term bias to the upside. A clear move above the 129 hurdle is likely to extend the upside wave, perhaps towards the psychological line of 130. However, having in mind that the US industrial production for September being released today is expected to accelerate, I would be cautious of a possible pullback before the next leg higher. The RSI supports the notion as it found resistance at 70 line and turned down. As for the broader trend, on the daily chart, the price structure still suggests a downtrend. Thus, I still see the near-term advances as a corrective phase of the longer-term down path. Now let's move on to WTI. WTI continued falling yesterday and touched the psychological line of 80. Before rebounding somewhat. The price structure remains lower highs and lower lows below both the 50 and the 200 period moving averages, keeping the downtrend intact. On the daily chart, the 14-day RSI dipped within its oversold territory and is pointing down, while the MACD remains below both its 0 and signal lines. This designates accelerating bearish momentum and magnifies the case for further declines. Nevertheless, I would prefer to see a strong move below the psychological hurdle of 80 before getting more confident on the downside. Such a move could trigger extensions towards our next support barrier at 77.50, determined by the lows of June 2012. So that's it for today. For more analysis and charts, please read the full comment on IronFX.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Haralambos Pissouros, Senior Technical Analyst at IronFX Global, wishing you solid trading.